Hello everyone, I'm Masoud Bakhtiari, a structural engineer. In this part, we will design a simple concrete beam with manual calculation. After the analysis of the structure is completed and the force of the structure are determined, we can start the design of the structure. Note that for design a simple beam concrete beam, we use ACI 318.19. We assume that the dimension of our section are equal to 24 by 36 inches and the yield stress of steel is equal to 60 kips or 60 kilopounds per square inch, and the strength of concrete is 4 kilopounds per square inch. In order to obtain the required cross-sectional area of this concrete, we first obtain the nominal resistance coefficient indicated by Rn. Then, according to the formula proposed by ACI 318.19, we obtain the required cross-sectional area of the steel or rebar for the concrete cross-section of the simple beam. Based on this formula, we calculate Rn and then we calculate AS. As you can see, the value of Rn according to manual calculation was equal to 27.23 and the required value of as was equal to 0.36 square inches. Notice that, of course, this value must be greater than the minimum value of the longitudinal reinforcements should get set by ACI. Otherwise, the minimum values calculated in the proposed formulas will be used. On the other hand, we choose that value is greater than other value. If the value of manual or calculation is greater than AS and we choose our manual calculation value, and if the AS minimum or minimum cross-section area of the rebar is greater than value of our calculation, then for this condition we choose minimum required cross-sectional area of the steel or rebar. In this example, the minimum rebar for this beam according to the ACI formula is equal to 2.54 and 2.68 square inches, which we choose as the maximum value for use. As you can see, the value of the minimum rebar is greater than the calculated value of the rebar. So we use the minimum rebar in the beam, which is equal to 2.68 square inches. Now we determine the required cross-sectional area of the seal. And in this point, the design of the bending bars is completed. And then we will look for the design of the amount of shear reinforcement. For learning more about structural design and detailing by Revit, subscribe in YouTube channel and Patrol channel.